Well, hello there. Good evening and a very warm welcome. Thank you very much for watching UBC News. Time now to look into our weather report for tonight. My name is Mollen. Let's start it off with our satellite analysis. Now, looking at what we have over Africa, we still have those rain-bearing clouds that are lined towards the country, and that is bringing us rains, especially across areas within West Nile and most areas within the northern Uganda. That is also coupled with local effects, especially from Lake Victoria, which is responsible for some of the large showers that we saw today across most areas within the central. Now, basically, we could be looking at a similar situation even tomorrow, but to be precise, let's take a look at Tuesday's weather forecast. Well, in the morning, we'll start it off with isolated showers. Those will be across areas within the central Lake Victoria Basin, as well as parts of the central. We're also forecasting sunny intervals that will be across Mubende, as well as Masaka. Now, looking at what we have across western Uganda, we do expect sunny intervals across midwestern towards southwestern Uganda. We do expect to have a little bit of rains that will be across areas within Kasese. Now, also for northern part of the country, we're forecasting sunny intervals that will be across areas within the Karamoja region, as well as the Lake Choga Basin. We're also likely to have those light showers again in the morning that will be across West Nile, as well as central parts of northern Uganda, where we have Kitgum as well as Gulu. Now, looking at what we're forecasting for you across eastern Uganda, we're likely to have those rains again that will be across Soroti, and sunny intervals are forecast for the eastern part of Lake Victoria, that is across Tororo, as well as Jinja. Later, as we cross over into the afternoon, we're expecting to have those rains again that will be across areas within Nakasongola, as well as the central parts of Lake Victoria Basin. We'll maintain those sunny intervals that will be across most areas within the western part of the country. Also, for the afternoon, we do expect to continue with those rains. Those will be across parts of Kasese. Temperatures will be rising up to a warm 32 degrees centigrade. We do expect to have sunny intervals still. That will be across Masindi, Mbarara, as well as Kabale. Mbarara will have temperatures going up to 28 degrees centigrade. Across the northern parts of the country, we do expect to continue with those sunny intervals still. That will be across mostly the Choga region. But the Karamoja region, we shall see a little bit of rains coming through. Temperatures will be at 30. That will be across Moroto. And we're still forecasting those rains for the northern part of the country. Kitgum and Gulu. Kitgum will be at 30 degrees centigrade. While looking at the eastern part of the country, we do expect to have mostly rainy conditions during the afternoon, and temperatures will be at 29 degrees centigrade. Well, what we have for you, that is across world cities. We are forecasting sunny conditions that will be across New York, with temperatures rising up to 29. We do expect some rains that will be across Beijing. Temperatures are at warm 31 degrees centigrade. And also across Paris, we are forecasting sunny intervals. A sunny day is forecast for Qatar. Temperatures will be rising up to 41, quite warm weather over there. Well, that is it that we've had for you for tonight. My name is Mollen. I want to wish you a good night.